to the Ascending Soul Collective. Next full moon is bringing in momentum. Things moving forward. Inner confidence and courage. Taking action, impulsive, restless energy, thinking of the consequences of actions. Thinking things through, searching deeper in self, higher vibrational alignment, light body activations, epiphanies, connecting with higher self, seeing through the illusions, reality checks, discovering deeper truth. You are in the process of a higher awakening and experiencing a shift to an elevated vibration. As you awaken into this next timeline, you will initially feel disoriented and out of alignment. Many gifts, abilities, powers, and codes within you have awakened into this new timeline, resulting in a transformation of your inner energy flow. Your energy body is now reacting differently to planetary energy as you navigate through the world in a totally new way. You are activating in your new light body, and you are beginning to connect with it. Like someone awakening from a long sleep, we are attuning to our capabilities, powers, gifts, and our own energy frequency. It may seem like the waves of light are more intense. This is because ascending souls have leveled up and can now sense and benefit from them more fully. The inner light body has always been with you. You are now learning to consciously tune into it, use it, and align with it. Whether you are still going through shifts or have already received this transformation, everything is progressing as it should. Revelations are illuminating the unhealthy habits that have been hindering our success. Recognizing and accepting this truth empowers us all to make the necessary changes and progress towards the rewards that are ahead. You are supported in unearthing the underlying causes that have been revealed, which may possibly be linked to the ancestral father wounds. The New Earth Energies presents an opportunity to heal the inner masculine energies within you, bringing an energetic union with the inner feminine. Starseed ascending souls will now experience more inner freedom with their divine masculine power. This establishes necessary boundaries and brings honor into your purpose as an ascending being. The unification codes will activate the inner masculine and feminine aspects to complete your ascension journey on this earth school and into the light body. Challenges often provide opportunities for higher levels of growth at an accelerated pace. It's now about holding the vibration of love amidst challenges. You open yourself to receiving deeper insight and blessings. Every challenge holds a silver lining and hidden blessings, awaiting your awareness. This powerful planetary shift allows you to claim the seeds of your creation, power, as fragments of light, and codes of consciousness are always within the challenge. Cleansing old energy and making way for your inner light is an ongoing process, not a one-time endeavor. In each moment and situation, we have the ultimate choice to respond with love or react with fear. Love expands our energetic fields and propels us forward, while fear contracts and limits our true potential. Spirit are always standing by, ready to be of assistance. Because ascending souls are now choosing love, they will experience the profound effects it brings into new life. Many are already feeling the effects of the next full moon, known as the buck moon. It will occur on Monday, July 3rd. It is a supermoon. It will appear much bigger and brighter because it will be at the closest point to Earth in its orbit. This amplified lunar energy is going to bring in major awakenings and changes for many. In loving and devoted Ascension Collective service. Channeled and written by Ascension LightWorkers. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. If this content resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, leave your comments and share. Together we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to achieve the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.